April is called April Art, and it's going to be a month-long programming initiative that starts with our community art celebration. So after the community art celebration, we're going to have 4 large programs happening at all different libraries that people can come and participate in and have a chance to leave some artwork that's going to come together in the Artful Blooms installation. Our Artful Blooms exhibit.
Okay.
So that is happening on May 3rd and 4th at Haggard Library. And people can come and see all of the art that they've created or that other people have created. You don't have to make anything to attend. And see how it all comes together. We're going for like a Willy Wonka, Alice in Wonderland
library garden.
Library garden. And I think some of the heart behind this initiative was that art really builds community. Yeah. And so this is a way for us to engage with our community and kind of create something together. That's a very fun, sustainable, repeatable, enjoyable process.
And it's for all ages, right?
Yes.
It's for all ages.
Yep.
Right. Well,
but the hope is that the community is really the superstar of this exhibit. So we can't do it without you.
Yeah,
Please show up.
You're kind of, you guys are building the infrastructure for this, the garden infrastructure to kind of set the mood for it, I think. Yeah.
Yes.
There'll be a pond as well.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yes.